Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to promote your Telegram channel. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Telegram application. Once you have logged into your Telegram account, after that you just need to select any channel you want to boost. For example, this football channel. In order to boost this, click on this profile, and after that you need to click on this edit icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and you will find statistics. Click on statistics. Now here you will find two ways in order to boost your channel. First one is using link. You just need to copy this link, and after that you just need to send this link to any premium user person. After that they will boost your channel by stars they have in premium version. Now this is the first method, and after that, in order to view the second method, click on the edit button again and click on statistics. Now at the bottom side you will find get boost via gifts. Click on it, and after that you can receive gifts from the Telegram premium user. They can send you gift, and you can, after that you can easily boost your channel using this stars. And that's it. Now you know how to promote your channel on Telegram. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.